Now, third problem is find the measure of acute angle between the lines represented by 3x square minus 4 root of 3xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. So, we have to find the acute angle between this line represented by this line. So, the solution is given equation is 3x square minus 4 root of 3xy plus 3y square, and this is equal to 0. So on comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, then a is equal to 3, 2h is equal to minus 4 root of 3, and b is equal to 3. From this, h is equal to minus 2 root of 3. We have the angle between the lines represented by this equation is tan of theta, and this is equal to mod of 2 root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Therefore, this tan theta is equal to mod of 2 root of h ची किंमत आहे तुमच्याकडे minus 2 root of 3h square minus a ची किंमत 3 into b ची किंमत 3 divided by 3 plus 3 divided by 3 plus 3. Then this tan theta is equal to mod of 2 root of h square minus ab. हे बघा, this square याचा जर स्क्वेअर केला तर हा येईल 4 into 3 minus 9 divided by 6 so बे त्रिक 6. then this tan theta is equal to बघा this root of 3 चौक 12 12 वजा 9 भागिले 3. therefore tan of theta is equal to root of 3 divided by 3. याचा याला जर व्यवस्थित लिहिलं सिंप्लिफाय करून तर याला येईल this is equal to 1 upon root of 3, and therefore this theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 upon root of 3, and therefore theta is equal to 30 degree. Therefore theta is equal to 30, कारण tan inverse of 1 upon root 3 ची किंमत किती आहे 30 आहे, म्हणून theta is equal to 30 degree. So this is the angle between the two lines represented by this equation. Now the last example from this chapter is the last example is take the last example from this chapter or from this point, and this is if the angle between the lines represented by x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is equal to the angle between the lines represented by 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. Then show that then show that 100 into hs square minus ab is equal to a plus b bracket square. बघा प्रॉब्लेम काय आहे तर या हे इक्वेशन ज्या दोन लाईन रिप्रेझेंट करत आहे त्या दोन लाईन मधला अँगल आणि हे इक्वेशन ज्या दोन लाईन रिप्रेझेंट करते त्या दोन लाईन मधला अँगल काय आहे समान आहे असल्यास आपल्याला हे प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. ओके मग we have the angle made by the lines represented by the equation is बघा सोल्युशन मध्ये याला हे इक्वेशन ज्या दोन लाईन रिप्रेझेंट करते त्या दोन लाईन मधला अँगल तुम्हाला माहित आहे. we have the angle between the two lines represented by x square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is tan theta is equal to mod of 2 root of hs square minus ab divided by a plus b. हे इक्वेशन ज्या दोन लाईन रिप्रेझेंट करत आहे त्या दोन लाईन मधला हा अँगल tan थीटा एवढा आहे. सो दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नाउ the angle we have to find the angle between these two lines represented by this equation. So the given equation is 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square and this is equal to 0. So on comparing with x square plus 2hxy plus by square and this is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 2, twice h is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to 3. Therefore h is equal to minus 5 by 2. Now angle between these two lines is given by tan of theta is equal to 2 root of hs square minus ab divided by a plus b. Therefore tan theta is equal to mod of 2 root of hs square. h ची किंमत आहे आपल्याकडे minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 bracket square minus a ची किंमत 2 into b ची किंमत 3 divided by 2 plus 3. Okay. So tan theta is equal to mod of 2 root of square जर केला तर हे 25 divided by 4 minus 6 divided by 5. So tan theta is equal to mod of 2 root of सवी चौक 24 that is 25 minus 24 divided by 2 into 5 and these two get cancelled. This is equal to mod of root of 1 divided by 5. So this is the tan theta is equal to, this is the angle between the two lines represented by this equation. But the angle between these two lines and angle between these two lines are same. Then we have to show that. So we have to take the from equation 1 and 2. याला equation 1 2 म्हणूया. So from equation 1 and 2, okay, this is also tan theta, this is also tan theta. So mod of 2 root of hs square minus ab divided by a plus b is same as the 1 upon 5. Okay. So on squaring on both sides, दोन्ही बाजूचा जर वर्ग केला तर 2 चा वर्ग 4, square and square would get cancelled, that is h square minus ab divided by a plus b bracket square, and this is equal to 1 by 25. This implies that हे 25 इथं भागिले आहे, इकडे गुणले होतील, आणि हे a plus b bracket square इथं भागिले इकडे गुणले होईल. Therefore this is h square 25 चौक 100, that is 100 into h square minus ab, and this is equal to a plus b bracket square, and hence proof. So in this way we complete the pair of straight lines. So we stop here. Okay.